Are you looking for a stylish looking, good sound quality and heart-thumping bass soundbar? Then your searches and here, because in this video we are going to compare two amazing soundbars which are by Hisense, and these two models are pretty have good sound quality, and the best of part, their wireless subwoofer that gives the heart-thumping bass that you can get in affordable price. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So hey guys, this is Basant here, and today's battle we are going to review and side by side compare Hisense 219 versus 218, and both soundbars have pretty much similar specs, but the 291 is the successor of 218. And in this video I'm going to tell you all the things why you should buy 219 in compared to 218. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with the video telling you all these features and specs of both soundbars. So I'm going to start with the Hisense S218 model. So the model name is this, and the size and weight of this soundbar is this. You can mount it on either wall on the tabletop whenever you want. As for the input and output ports, it has HDMI ARC, one coaxial port and one optical audio input along with USB port. And you can also connect it using your Bluetooth to stream wireless audio and the video from your devices. And it has some also physical buttons for like power, volume and Bluetooth control. And there's also you can control it with its wireless IR blaster remote control. If I talk about its audio features, then it comes with 2.1 built-in channel which combines 5 speakers and one wireless subwoofer, and it gives total output of 200 watts along with 80 watts subwoofer output. It has also the Dolby audio technology, which gives a surround sound, something like the sound quality. If you have a Roku TV series, then the best part of this Hisense soundbars that it is feature have that instantly connect with your Roku TV, so you don't have to be toggle around with the functions to connect with your Roku TV. So just play and plug with your Roku TV and it will be instantly connected with your that Roku TV series. Now let's come to the Hisense HS219 model. So the size and weight of this model is this. You can also mount it on table or the wall whenever you want. As for the input and output port, it has similar options available: HDMI ARC, coaxial output, optical audio input and the USB port. You can also connect it using your Bluetooth devices. There are also some buttons like the power, volume and Bluetooth. You can control it via remote control. And as for the audio features and technology, it is also supported by 2.1 built-in channel along the combination of 5 speakers and one wireless subwoofer. But the best and the amazing thing about this model is it's the total audio output is the way more than the HS218, because it produced 320 watts total audio output along with 200 watts wireless subwoofer output. So you can assume how much the quality output of sound and bass it is going to give you if you run with your media. And you can compare its 200 watt wireless subwoofer is the capable of the whole HS218 model, because the total output of from 218 is just 200 watt, but here on the HS211 model is its subwoofer output is only 200 watts. So you can assume how much the amazing sound quality you are going to get with this model. As for the audio support, it is also supported by Dolby audio technologies. Connectivity, I already told you about this connectivity ports. It has also the Bluetooth available for the wireless connectivity, and like the HS218, it has also Roku TV series connectivity support. Just plug and play this model with your Roku TV and it will be instantly connect with your Roku series TVs. So now I am going to tell you the side by side comparison, so you can see what are the features which is different along in these two soundbars. So to compare them side by side, I am going to take you on my website gadgetcomparison.com. Here you can review and compare various soundbars with each other. The link will be given below in the description. Just click there and you will be redirected to this page. And here's the side by side comparison. I also gave them some ratings, you can see, and divided these ratings on the sections, so you can assume the every aspect of there and then compare them, like the sound quality, volume control, bass, value for money, and easy to install. Everything is compared into sections. Then here we have the audio features comparison. The only thing I got in this soundbar models, the comparable are their sound audio output and bass output, and everything I found out is similar, like the controlling options, like the connectivity options, everything is similar. Even there the wireless subwoofer thing is so similar. So you can see the output of their here, and you can see by seeing this comparison you can assume which one is the good option for you. So now let's go to the their audio and sound quality difference. So what is the difference and who wins? Like I said, Hisense HS218 is the total output of 200 watts along with its 60 watt subwoofer, but Hisense HS219 model produced 320 watts total audio output, which is louder than the HS218, and its subwoofer is also the higher output than compared to H218. And here it is the mini comparison, you can see here. And both soundbars have the various EQ modes for the different type of contents, like music, TV, movies, news, which you can use freely and switch freely. So as for the comparison winner here, before that I want to tell you about the major differences here, because it is in terms of pricing, because I saw their pricing and I am really confused the what thing are determining this their pricing, because HS218 pricing and HS219 pricing sometimes is similar and sometimes it is more than the 219. I mean HS218 pricing is more than the 219. I don't know why, but it is the exciting thing, because in the same pricing or the way affordable pricing you can get the latest successor of Hisense series, which is HS219. So now let's go to the conclusion and who is winners of this comparison. And without a doubt, Hisense HS219 is the winner in this comparison, as its latest launched model with the louder speakers and subwoofer. Plus I also like the design, and it is like the more compact than its predecessors. I hope you enjoyed this comparison and liked my efforts for this video. If you enjoyed this comparison, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel along with pressing bell icon, so you can never miss any soundbar series reviews and comparison. So bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.